फुडल्या 6 महिन्यां भितर नवो TCP कायदो तयार करून तो चालीक लायतले अशी माहिती नगर नियोजन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिल्या। गोंयांत सध्या 1970तलो TCP कायदो लागू आसा, तो बदलपाची गरज आसा। लोकांक विश्वासांत घेवन तशेंच फुडल्या 39 ते 40 वर्सांचो विचार करून नवो TCP कायदो तयार करतले अशी माहिती मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी दिल्या।
People feel X is happening while you go to the remote villages. Today people in the villages are asking for development. People in the south are asking for development. People want to go beyond the regional plan and ask for development. And development, we want this type of development. Today the families have grown. So if a person wants to do a development and build a house beyond a particular thing, then he has to be allowed to do it. Why should we wait for the government to take a policy decision? When the government takes a decision, and why should we put the people at the mercy of the policy making bodies like us? Instead, it should be more people friendly, where people go and buy the FSI and take it and buy it, build it. It's how you have to do it. My job is to see that within the next 6 months, Goa will have a new town and country planning act, and we need to do it. We need to have a comprehensive 30-40 years, because the town planning act was brought, this original one was initially brought out by my father when he was down early in the 70s. Now the time has come for change. Now you look at the way the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also has brought in the Forest Act, so many amendments have been brought. I also tweeted the other day for infrastructure projects to make it much more easy to move forward. So basically, and several other issues, I've already tweeted on that. But that is how one has to look at it. Suppose you want to build something, you should not be at the mercy of me to give you permission. You should be able to go to the department and get permission on your own. Ultimately, a common man living in the village, poor fellow doesn't know what he's doing. He is actually building his house on orchard land. Am I good? How many times you going to take action over it? When you're doing a zoning plan, you need to see that all these issues are addressed. All the houses are incorporated on all this, so that he is able to live a very comfortable life without any kind of stress that whether he is zoned